Hey everyone, I've had a delivery today from 𝘠𝘪𝘭𝘭 Australia, so I'm super excited. I know that a lot of you follow me originally for my hair bow tutorials, but I do make my own clays as well. I've been doing this for around 9 months now, so I've started doing tutorials on my YouTube channel for this also. So I will show you what I've got. So I've got 4 new moulds and also these eye stickers. And these eye stickers are different to the ones I've had before because you've got some gorgeous pastel colours on here, pinks, lilacs, even a hot pink. And I thought these would look gorgeous on a mermaid clay. And I didn't have a mermaid mould, so that is one of the moulds that I had delivered. I've got this gorgeous mermaid mould, and this is an example of what you can make on the back there. I also got these 2 moulds here, and these make slightly smaller dolls. So if you look at the size of the head on this one compared to this one, as you can see, it's a little bit smaller, and these do make a good size clay doll. So these will be ideal for your sort of medium to small hair bows. And you've got a lovely wide range of clothing on here. You've got different shoes, and I love these little arms with the small hands because on my existing mould I only had sort of these big hands which looked a little bit too big. So these I will use loads. You've also got some little arms with gloves, little handbags, trousers, and I especially love the fact it's got these legs which are facing sideways, and also this one here which looked like she could be skipping or jumping. So this will give me a wider range of different styles that I can make. And then this one as well, which is also slightly smaller heads. It includes this gorgeous cable knit hat, and with it being autumn now in the UK, this I will use very soon because that will look really cute on a doll. And again, you've got the little arms with the gloves, the ones with the little hands, different dresses on there, one with little pockets. So this is a really good one to have. And then the 4th one is this one here, and this one makes bigger clay dolls. Now the head is actually the same size as my original moulds, but the actual bodies, so if I compare it to this one, as you can see, it's jeans and a top. This one is a lot bigger than this one. So this will make taller clay dolls, bigger clay dolls. So I've got a nice range of moulds now in my collection where I can make small, medium and large dolls. I've got a hair mould. This is essential because hair I find quite difficult. I do personally anyway. So this is a really good mould to have, especially with the little braids. They look really cute on a clay doll. I've got these little handbag accessories. You've got different handles, little bows. So this is a really cute mould to have also. I've got a little cat mould. And this one is the Sweet Winter mould. You've probably seen this already if you've seen my YouTube videos. I've done a few clays using this mould. And then this one, I love this dress on this one because it's really pretty. And you've got all the different style of clothing and shoes. And then you've got the princess one here, which makes the gorgeous sort of princess style dolls. So that is my full collection of Danny Decor moulds. I've got 10 now, and I feel with these 10 moulds I can now make a wide range of clay dolls in different styles and sizes, and I cannot wait to bring you tutorials using my new moulds very soon. Thanks for watching everyone. I'll be back soon. Bye.